I hope all you are fine. This is chemistry teacher. Today we are study chemical combination chapter number 2 part B. In previous lecture we discussed law of conservation of mass and law of constant composition. In this lecture we discuss law of multiple proportion and law of reciprocal proportion. Law of multiple proportion. Law of multiple proportion in chemistry book page number 15. The fact that same element can combine in more than one ratio of form different compound was published by John Dalton in the form of law of multiple proportion. It states that if two elements combine to form more than one compound, the mass of one element that combine with the fixed mass of the other element are in the ratio of small whole numbers or simple multiple ratio. Understand this law. We have an example. Carbon combined with high concentration of oxygen to form carbon dioxide and low concentration of oxygen to form carbon monoxide. Student, you can see there is a two element. One is carbon and other is oxygen. Two elements we combine more than one compound. One is carbon dioxide and other is carbon monoxide. In carbon monoxide, 12 part by mass of carbon combine 16 part by mass of oxygen. In carbon dioxide, 12 part by mass of carbon combine 32 parts of oxygen by mass. 32, how 32? 16 multiplied by 2 is equal to 32. The ratio of the mass of oxygen that combined with the fixed mass of carbon 16 ratio 32, or the simplest form is 1:2 ratio. Therefore, we can say that different mass of one element that combine with the same mass of another element are ratio of simple whole number ratio. There is another example. We have a two element, hydrogen and oxygen. We can see more than one compound. One is water and other is H2O2. The name of H2O2 is hydrogen peroxide. You can see that in mass of hydrogen, water two atoms, and hydrogen peroxide is also two atoms. The mass of hydrogen both containing 2. But the change is mass of oxygen. Oxygen mass is 16 in water molecule and hydrogen peroxide oxygen mass is 32. The ratio become 1:2. The different mass of oxygen 16:32, which combined with the fixed mass of hydrogen 2 gram, are the ratio 16:32 1:2, which is again in a ratio of a small whole number. Is law of reciprocal proportion by Richards 1792 to 94. It states that when two different elements separately combine with the fixed mass of the third element, the proportion in which they combine with one another shall be either in the same ratio or simple multiple of it. In next slide, we have some example. You can see it. There is an example of law of reciprocal. When two different elements, carbon and oxygen, separately combine with hydrogen to form methane and water respectively. You can see that कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन अलग से मिलने के बाद एक तरफ मीथेन बना रहे हैं और दूसरी तरफ हम देख रहे हैं वाटर बना रहे हैं. It is very clear that in methane 3 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बन विद 1 ग्राम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. इसमें हमें बाकायदा नज़र आ रहा है कि 3 ग्राम कार्बन और 1 ग्राम हाइड्रोजन किस में बन रहा है, मीथेन में बन रहा है. और वाटर के अंदर हम देख रहे हैं कि 8 ग्राम ऑक्सीजन कंबाइंड विद द फिक्स प्रोपोर्शन बाय मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. और ऑक्सीजन वाटर में हमारे पास 8 ग्राम बन रहा है और फिक्स प्रोपोर्शन इसका भी हाइड्रोजन का क्या है, 1 ग्राम. तो मीथेन में भी हाइड्रोजन का मास फिक्स हो रहा है 1 ग्राम और वाटर में भी हाइड्रोजन का मास क्या हो रहा है, 1 ग्राम. नाउ व्हेन कार्बन एंड ऑक्सीजन कंबाइन विद ईच अदर टू फॉर्म कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, दोनों मिलके क्या बना रहे हैं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. दे डू सो इन द सेम प्रोपोर्शन 1232 इज इक्वल टू 3 × 8 पार्ट बाय मास. इस डायग्राम में हम देख सकते हैं कि कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन से मीथेन और वाटर बन रहा है और दूसरी तरफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बन रहा है. तो हम देख रहे हैं कि मीथेन में भी हाइड्रोजन का मास फिक्स हो रहा है और वाटर में भी हाइड्रोजन का मास फिक्स हो रहा है. और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से हमारे पास जो रेशियो बन रहा है 3:8 का बन रहा है. Similarly, another example is when 12 gram of carbon combine with 32 grams of oxygen to form carbon dioxide, and 32 gram of sulfur combined with the fixed mass of oxygen is 32 gram of sulfur dioxide. You can see that, students, where we have a carbon and sulfur to carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, there is a mass of carbon is 3 gram and there is a mass of oxygen is 8 gram, and sulfur dioxide is a mass of sulfur is 8 gram and oxygen mass is 8 gram also. There is a fixed mass of sulfur dioxide, oxygen mass is 8, and carbon dioxide oxygen mass is 8. And then a combined carbon and sulfur combines together to carbon disulfide, and the ratio is 12:64. The ratio is 3:16. This example show that the mass and sulfur that combine with the same mass of oxygen in this proportion of 12:64, that is 3:16. I hope, student, you understand this law. This law in your chemistry book, page number 16. In next lecture, we will discuss chemical reactions and its type. Thank you.